Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MacBook Pro has an SD slot or that you have a compatible USB-C SD reader. This matters because speed and power differ. Once done, wake the Mac and unlock your account so Finder can mount drives. Insert the SD card gently until it seats or plug the reader into a powered port. Make sure the card is oriented correctly. You do this first to allow Mac OS to recognize the volume and initialize any on-the-fly indexing. Now you access files. Open Finder and look under Locations for the SD volume name. That confirms the card is mounted. You can drag files to your desired folder or use CMD+C and CMD+V for precise placement, using a secondary drive speeds transfers. If you're working with raw photos, use Photos, Image Capture, or Lightroom for import to preserve metadata and avoid duplicates. Make sure to monitor transfer progress and verify file integrity before ejecting to prevent corruption. To finish, always eject the SD card using Finder's eject icon or right-click and choose Eject. This ensures write caches flush. If you need a fresh volume, open Disk Utility, select the card and format, use XFAT for cross-platform compatibility or Mac OS Extended/apps for Mac OS only work. If the card doesn't mount, try another port, test a different adapter, or run Disk Utility First Aid. If problems persist, the card reader or card may be faulty and require replacement or data recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.